Guys, today I'm going to Disneyland. I'm so excited. I hope you like this autumn passport video. I'm just so excited. And I never been to Disneyland. I always been to Disney World. Come on, let's go to the airport. Let's go to the trip. Come on. So I was going to Disneyland and I felt super good. And when we were waiting in security, I went to my first ride, and it wasn't that scary, but I didn't know it was a roller coaster first. So yeah, I liked it a little, just a little. So I liked it. My first ride was Space Mountain. I felt good about the ride, but it was a little medium. Not that. I saw some lines. It was getting darker and then light and then dark and then light. And there were some straight lines. And then when I came to the part, it was all dark. I didn't know it was a roller coaster. So, I didn't know it was a roller coaster. But they said roller. Okay, so I was looking at Splash Mountain to see if it was good or bad. I didn't go on it yet, so I thought it would be, when I was walking in the line, I thought it would be good, but then first there was a small one that you go down, but then it was a little scary. The big one was a little so scary, but then when I was a little one, it's scary. You got to see some rabbits and so I was happy that we did it, but then when I felt the big one that goes down, I was scared. But then we hit the boat, and it was scary. So when we went to Inventionland, there was Jungle Cruise there too, and have you ever seen the movie? Say yes, or if you haven't, it's on Disney Plus. So let's talk about this. You're in a boat, and there's fake animal. Don't worry, the animals are not real; they're fake. You should already know that, because if you have been on there, they're fake, okay? And I want my action of Jungle Cruise. It was good. It was good. I saw the back side of water, and I don't know if that was I don't know if it was true. The back side of water is true. I don't know if it is, but it might be. Okay, so guys, have you ever been to Teacups? I think it was at Disney World. I don't know if it was, because it might have been, and I was at Teacups. I got to spin it, but it was a little heavy. My brother was a little scared of it because he didn't know what was going on, because he'd never been on these rides before. So yeah, I thought like it was. It's not scary, because, do you ask that? Because, no, it's not scary. If you've ever been on it, if you think it's scary, it's not scary for me though. Okay? It's October. I, of course, went on the Haunted Mansion. It's almost Halloween, so when I was in the line, I thought it wasn't scary. My dad said he was scared of it when he was a little kid, but I don't think I'm scared of. I am so sure I'm scared of it because it's scary and I don't like it. I only saw half of the movie, but yeah, I don't like it. And it's snow, I think. I don't know if it's snow. And last Halloween, I didn't watch it. But my feeling about it was scared. I was scared of it. Okay, I was scared of it. On the first part, I was so scared. The floor went down. I was scared of it. So yeah, I was so scared. But it's just pretend. So who thinks it's real? I'm glad you went to Disneyland with me. I don't want to be alone. And I hope you subscribe, hit the bell button, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!